Hey beloved, it's an all new Cooking with the Kellys, and today we're making sweet potato fettuccine Alfredo. Let's start by gathering the sauce ingredients. You'll need about a cup of Parmesan cheese, a cup of heavy whipping cream, a cup of milk, and 1 medium sweet potato, as well as garlic, the other ingredients I use to complete the dish. We'll start by mixing the milk, cream, and a teaspoon of garlic in a saucepan over medium heat. When the mixture begins to simmer, add in your grated Parmesan cheese. Make sure you buy the block of cheese and grate it yourself. It's better to melt in. Then add in your cooked sweet potato, skin removed of course. Use a whisk to incorporate all of the ingredients together. An immersion blender would work as well. Then season it with salt and pepper to taste. And that's the sauce, y'all. Basic and simple. Now let me show you how I use it. In a skillet, I'm going to heat up some oil and then saute my shallots. Add in my spinach and toss it with a little garlic paste. Keep sauteing until the shallots are caramelized and the spinach begins to wilt. This should just take about a minute or two. Be sure to add a little dash of salt and pepper as well. I remove the spinach mixture and added in my shrimp to the skillet. The shrimp had already been pre-seasoned with a little Italian seasoning. Flip and brown on both sides until the shrimp are completely cooked. And here I added in a little Marsala wine to deglaze the pan and add an extra layer of flavor. And re-added the spinach and shallot mixture. Adding in some frozen diced sweet potatoes will add more interest, color, and texture to your dish. Finish with another dash of salt and pepper and we're ready to plate. Here I've tossed my fettuccine noodles with our sweet potato Alfredo pasta sauce and then topped it with our shrimp, sweet potato, and spinach and shallot mixture. And boy, do we have a delicious dinner. Cooking doesn't have to be as hard as rocket science, but it sure can leave a good impact in your mouth. Make something yum, y'all.